What's up, everybody? Today, I will install roof insulation, as well as the roofing itself. I lack knowledge for this task, so my neighbor, who is an experienced roofer, will help me. For the roof and the entire house insulation, I chose wood fiber boards. They are made from natural wood fibers by compressing them. They have many good properties, and one of them is the aroma. It must be said that climbing and insulating the roof from the top consumes a lot of energy for me. On the other side, I will do things a bit differently. Again, do not take an example from me. I feel confident moving around the roof without safety equipment, but you shouldn't do that. This job took me 2 full days, a day for each side. Roofs typically have a condensation membrane. At the time of ordering the roofing material, I didn't yet know if I would be using wood fiber boards. Therefore, I also ordered the condensation membrane. While it's not mandatory when using wood fiber boards, it can serve as additional protection against condensation and moisture ingress. On this side, I thought that gluing it together and then rolling it down would be easier, but I was mistaken. The wind was too strong, so I waited for the next day to complete the job in calmer conditions.
Oopsie.
We were short by one sheet on each side because, due to an error, I calculated the materials based on the old design where the house had not yet been extended by 1 meter. Thank you for hitting that like button and subscribe, so you won't miss any of my new episodes. Next, we'll start to insulate houses' walls. See ya!
No, re, kur arī pats meistars. Pamāj. No. Vēl tikai loksnes jādabūn. 2. Kāds darbiņš labs izdarīts.